So welcome back to the course. In this section, we're going to go over estimating. And estimating is difficult to figure out in the beginning. But the longer you do it, the easier it gets. I'm going to give you an example here using story points. I'll give you an example here of using some numbers. These numbers can be anything, but everyone has to be consistent and use the same numbers for the stories. So here, I'm going to actually relate these to hours. And in this example, we would use 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, and 32. For 30 minutes, this equals 1 point. 1 hour would equal 2 points. 2 hours equals 4 points. 1 day equals 16 points. 2 days equals 32 points, and so on. You would go in and rate your project. Well, if it's 30 minutes, it's just a 1 point. If it's 2 days, it's 32 points. And as you go through this process, it'll get easier and easier, and people could use these to estimate the time of the project. And why this was done is because using the Agile approach, Agile wanted to find a way of not using hours to have people track their projects, because management can use that to say, hey, you said it was going to be 4 hours, it took 4.5, and now their performance is dinged because it took them a little bit longer. As you do it longer, you'll be actually more productive and be able to estimate better when you understand, oh, it's just a 2 or 4, or a 12 or 16. We'll see you in the next course.